Hello, welcome to Last Barbecue. So I'm at the getaway since today, and I don't have a griddle here. But what I did get was this. This is Sarek open fire frying pan kind of thing. It's like a Discada, and I'm gonna try using that. And I think I want to concentrate the heat to the middle, so I'm gonna use a portix that I made for my little grill, and I've got a full chimney of really hot charcoal here. And let me bring you in, and then I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna season this a little bit. It's supposed to be pre-seasoned, but I'm still gonna season it a little bit, and then we're gonna cook a meal. So tag along. Okay, so there we go. I'm just gonna even this out as much as I can, and then we're gonna put this disc on here. And oh yeah, I forgot to show this. This has got mounting here. So I've got legs for it. I'll probably never use it, but who knows? Okay, so when I put this on, it's kind of lying on the coals, but it's still open. I've checked that, and it's also got a slit around the circumference here that can let the air escape because it's lying on the handles, so it's lifting it up. Anyway, so this is gonna get hot pretty fast. I'm just gonna season this with a little bit of coconut oil. So I'm gonna put that on there, and then I'm gonna use some kitchen towel just to spread this out. I guess this is going to be hot on the edges a little bit, but I'm in no rush to get this seasoned. It's going to get seasoned over time, and I really don't want this to be hot all the way out because I want to be able to move stuff around. Anyway, so I'm just going to leave this to smoke until it's not smoking anymore. And I'm not going to bring you along for that ride because it's going to be boring. So I'm going to leave that like that, and then I'll bring you back in a bit. Okay, so I did 3 coats. It's still smoking a little bit, but it doesn't matter anymore. If you ever season anything with me, or if you watch me season anything, we start off with bacon. Gonna leave that on there and let that render a little bit. Okay, so this is rendered down a little bit. Still sticking. That's gonna get better over time. I did Google this thing before I bought it. Still warm around, so I think I'm going to move that a little bit to the side like that. And then on the bottom, I've got some jalapeno and guijallo sausage. Fry that. I'm going to do that, all of it to the side. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil on there. There we go, and then we got some cauliflower rice, my new favorite. Just going to spread that out. To this we're going to add 2 sliced jalapenos and one, say a quarter of a red bell pepper. Just gonna get a little bit of color to this. Then we're gonna add half a cup of shrimp to this. Now it's time to season it. Oh, more than the obvious, of course. So I'm gonna be using a little bit of Lase's garlic salt because I like it. Something like so. And then we're gonna use Tony's Creole seasoning because I like it. There we go. Season it whichever way you like. I also want to add a little bit of liquid to this. So I'm gonna squeeze in half a lemon. I did remove as many seeds as I could after having it. Oh, there was one having it. But you can of course squeeze the lemon in any way you want. Time to give this a mix. Sorry about the shadows and the sun and everything, but it is what it is. Summer in Sweden, which means we're at today, I would say 70. But it's warm in the sun, so it's nice. I think lesson learned from this first use is more coals and spread them out. I did remove the vortex because it was too kind of cramping the space too much. I didn't want that. I think this works fine the way it does. I'm bringing it close and show you what we have here. Final touch. I'm gonna add a dash of my homemade hot sauce to this. Something like so. And there we go. Time to plate this up. There we go, Discada dinner. I'm alone here, so this was hot. It's pretty good. It's very, very hot. Oh, I really like that. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.